Christmas is coming, so today I will be making two Christmas tree to decorate my house. One is from shop bought cone, and another one is just empty cone from sewing. And for the smaller cone, I will crochet a string, which I wrap around, which will make this cute Christmas tree. I might stick some pom-poms on that as well. Yeah. So if you will like my video, please check my other videos and subscribe to my channel, Crafts and More. Today I'm making this colorful and playful Christmas tree with the pom-poms. I will be using this glue, but Evo stick. It's quite strong, but you can use hot glue gun or any other glue you prefer. So I will start with sticking the larger pom-poms first, and then I will mix all other sizes in between. Hopefully it will turn out nice. Make a long chain, which should be enough for your cone. Let's measure. When we finish it will be slightly higher, so let's wrap loosely around the cone to see if it would be enough. Yeah, so seems enough and more. That's fine. Let's start crocheting. So for the start, join it into the third stitch, treble, treble, 2 chains in between, treble into next one, two stitches in between, into the next one, so let's keep going, 2 stitches in between, into the same, to create V shape. When we do V shape into the same, V shape into the same, then going to the next one, 2 chains in between, into the same. Let's do treble into the next one, 2 stitches in between, into the same. Now we made another V. Treble into the next, 2 chains in between, treble into the same. Treble into the next one, 2 chains in between, treble into the same. Let's repeat one more time. Treble into the next, two chains in between, treble into the same. So on our base of chain we're creating V's, which we will make our other stitches into those gaps. So as you can see, we're adding stitches and it's starting curling, and when we place it on the cone it will be very nice and curly design. So let's look at this one more time. We made our chain. Into each chain we're doing treble, 2 chain in between, treble, going to the next chain, treble, 2 chains in between, another treble, going to the next chain, treble, 2 chains in between, another treble. As you can see, we're expanding our, adding more and more stitches, and it's will start curl very nicely. It will look nice on the tree. let's finish this pattern on all chain. I have completed crocheting V's into this second row of the chain, so now I will be doing the third row, which is into the crocheting treble and double trebles into in between the two chains. So treble at the start, at the end, and then 5 double trebles in the middle. So then in between, then I will do trebles into the V's, into the gap. So one flip, treble, 2 flips, double treble, and I do 5 of those. 1, do 1, 2, so that's 1, 2 flips, double treble, second completed, 3, 4, and 5, and then at the end you see it's going higher from first one is lower, next 5 is higher, and we enter and we finish with simple treble, which makes our cluster higher, lower, higher, lower. So let's go to the next V. Start with treble, 5 double trebles, treble number 3, treble number 4, and number 5, and we're finishing with simple treble. So this creates some kind of petal shapes, clusters. So let's do the same till the end of our chain. You'll see how it looks. So just a reminder: treble, 5 double trebles, 1 treble, and on the scheme you see treble, 5 double trebles, 1 treble. I have completed crocheting part. I used 2 different yarns because I ran out of the dark one, but I think it will be nice to have some variations. So now I'm taking my cone, and instead of using the glue gun, which I have here, I will try to use double-sided tape, which should make things much easier, because glue gun, sometimes glue just stretches and leave the residue on the things. So let's do let's glue the sticky tape all around. It's double-sided. I already did on the bottom part, so I will just wrap it around, covering all the surface, so it would be sticky. So do that. Let me try it. Touch the paper. Let's push it down and do all the way up to the top. Let's do the next line. Swatching all the way so we will stay on the paper. And next line. Yeah. Now just make sure that it's stuck properly to the cardboard. And now we can try separate the second layer from the sticky tape, which is a bit of a task. Now that cone is nice and sticky, we can wrap around the crocheted part. So I have removed the paper layer of the top layer of the double-sided tape, and let's start the wrapping. Yeah, I'm starting right at the bottom. I think it would look nice if it would lay a bit at the bottom. So I'm gluing right at the bottom, like ½ centimeter from the bottom. You see it sticks very well. Much easier than glue gun. the tree is completed. Let me give you a spin. What do you think? I think it looks quite cute. So these are 2 trees I've made this week. Let me know what you think, which one you like better.